In a groundbreaking discovery, astronomers have uncovered two critical pieces of the Milky Way's distant past. Named Shakti and Shiva, these cosmic entities represent what might be the earliest components of our galaxy, remnants of smaller galaxies that blended with the nascent Milky Way around 12 to 13 billion years ago, almost at the very beginning of this universe. This find is akin to unearthing the foundations of an ancient civilization that evolved into the bustling metropolis we call home today. Kjell Mahlon and Hans Walter Rix from the Max Planck Institute for Astronomy spearheaded this exploration. They pieced together this cosmic puzzle by analyzing a vast sea of stars, nearly 6 million in total, using data from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission and the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. Their work unveils a new chapter in the story of our galaxy's formation, likened to discovering the earliest settlements that would eventually expand into the modern-day Milky Way. Galaxies, including our own, grow by merging with others. This cosmic dance results in a mix of stars from each galaxy. But tracing back which stars came from where isn't straightforward. Imagine trying to determine the origin of every brick in a centuries-old fortress. Yet there's a method to this madness, rooted in the basic laws of physics. Stars carry the imprint of their origins in their motion and composition. By examining these traits, particularly their energy, the way they move, and their metal content, astronomers can identify groups of stars that share a common ancestry, revealing the merger remnants. The modern tools of cosmic archaeology, like the data from the Gaia satellite, have made it possible to embark on such a quest. Gaia, since its launch in 2013, has been mapping the positions and movements of over 1 billion stars, offering a detailed view of our galaxy's structure and dynamics. This wealth of information has already led to the discovery of the Gaia Enceladus sausage stream, evidence of a major galactic merger that occurred billions of years ago, along with other significant structures within the Milky Way. In their recent venture, Mahlon and Rix focused on metal-poor stars, ancient stars that formed when the universe was young and less enriched with elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. Among these, they noticed two groups with distinct energy and angular momentum, suggesting a separate galactic origin. These clusters of stars, which they named after the powerful deities Shakti and Shiva from Indian historical names, represent what could be some of the Milky Way's first building blocks. The identification of Shakti and Shiva is a monumental step in understanding our galaxy's formation. Just as archaeologists piece together human history through artifacts and ruins, astronomers use stars to trace the galaxy's evolution. Shakti and Shiva offer a glimpse into the Milky Way's infancy, a time when it was just starting to grow into the galaxy we recognize today. As more and more probes will be launched into space, orbiting Earth, we will be able to look further back in time. And as Indian private satellite launch companies are evolving, the frequency of such launches will radically increase as well. If you have not heard about these private companies, check these videos out to give yourself an edge.